What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys are new here, my name is Nicole and I make videos on plus size fashion, makeup, lifestyle type videos. I do vlogs, especially when we travel. I love filming and editing travel vlogs. So if these videos are anything that sounds of interest to you, make sure you subscribe. I do have an Instagram that I update pretty regularly, so if you guys would like to follow me there as well, that link will be down in the description box below. Today's video is kind of a random collective haul of wedding things that I've been picking up over the last couple of months or so. I have a couple pairs of shoes, both of which are shoe options for myself for day of the wedding. I also have some earring options. I have little gifty things here and there. I went on a birthday weekend trip to San Diego in July, like end of July, and my sister and friends kind of surprised me with a few little like bachelorette gifts that are so stinking cute. So I'm gonna share some of those in this video as well as just a bunch of other random stuff. So if you guys wanna see kind of what I've picked up along the way, just keep watching. All right, let's kick off this haul with some perfumes I got from Dossier. This portion of the video is sponsored by Dossier, so thank you so much. I have worked with them in the past, and you guys, I absolutely love their perfumes. They are amazing for a fraction of the price. They start at $29, cannot beat it. And they have fragrances that are inspired by higher end fragrances. So if you guys just cannot see yourself spending the money on super expensive fragrances, you can get on their website and search to see if that scent comes in a Dossier perfume for, like I said, starting at $29. So this is how the perfumes come packaged in these really cute minimalistic boxes. Comes with a little informational card. It has the full-size perfume and then this little guy. Now, I always thought this was just like one that you could throw in your purse, like a to-go little one, but it's actually a tester. So you can order literally all the perfumes you want, use only the tester to see which ones you like jive with the most, and then you can return any unopened ones for a full refund. So I love that about this brand. If you happen to like the fragrances that you get, then you have a cute little tester that you can throw in your purse. Take it on the go. Let me show you what the bottle looks like. It is super like minimalistic. Absolutely love how minimal the bottles look. And I love the cap because it is magnetic. It is like pretty heavy duty. Like I cannot with the packaging. It's like my favorite. The scent that I have here is called Floral Pear and it smells just like floral pear. Imagine that. This one is inspired by Jo Malone, English Pear, and Freesia Cologne. Smells really good. Ooh, that does smell really good. I'm very picky about my perfumes, so it's hard for me to like order them online, but knowing that you can order one inspired by a fragrance that you already know you love makes it a lot easier. Now I've lumped these perfumes in with this haul because I am still deciding if I want to use one of these for my day of fragrance for the wedding. I absolutely love this one called Floral Peony. This has been like my go-to like everyday perfume. Very florally, but I absolutely love it. It smells so good. And I just think it would be a nice day of perfume. I think it would also picture very nicely in flat lay pictures. Another thing I love about this brand is that all the ingredients are clean. They are even cleaner than the clean list at Sephora, so you know you're getting like quality ingredients. All of the information for Dossier will be linked below. They also gave me a coupon code, which I will pop up here on screen, and I will have that linked below as well. Go check them out. All right, so let's start this haul off with one of the pairs of shoes. Now, the dress I got is not like stark white, so I didn't want to have like a more nude beigey colored dress and then like stark white shoes. Like I did not want that. So I was on the hunt for some wide, chunky heels for wedding day. And I'm not sure if these are it, but if worst comes to worst, I'll just wear these like casually just out now. But they're so cute. They are just like, I feel like they're so in right now, but I'm having a hard time deciding if they're like too casual. You know what I mean? These like chunky looking double strapped sandals, I feel like they're so in right now. I got these online from Dillard's and it is the brand Gianni Beanie. If I can find the shoe, I will link it below. All the stuff I talk about in this video, if I can find online, I will link below. But this is what they look like. Not too high of a heel, very chunky. I got mine in a size 10. I think they were like $60, but I think they're really, really cute. And I mean, it might make for a good option for wedding day. So we shall see. Okay, the next pair of shoes I got were actually from Amazon, and they are wide width, which is nice. Now, the only problem with these shoes are the fact that they're just so basic. Or as my sister says, those are chuggy, because it's just like, we get it. Everybody and their mother wears these kinds of shoes, but I don't hate them. It's just that single strap, low, chunky heel, basic, nude heel. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. It's literally from the Amazon Basics brand. I still think that they are like cute, good option, but I did want something a little bit more unique, and I feel like my sister's right. Everybody and their mother has these, but they were really affordable. They came quickly, and if you guys are in a pinch and need a shoe for your wedding, I mean, Amazon is the way to go. Carlos's sister bought us these really cute passport holders that I love. One is white, one is black. It says, "Together is a beautiful place to be." And then this one says, "As long as I have you." Just super simple, super cute. Love the gold detailing, and I can't wait to use these. We are going on our honeymoon out of the country, so these will be perfect because we need a passport. All right, this next item is a little hair accessory, and I honestly feel like I have shown this before. I don't remember. I got it off of Etsy. It's just a cute little bride clip, and I'm not wearing this day of, but I wanted to get a picture of it in my hair for Instagram. I mean, just to have, because I think it's super cute. So I got this off of Etsy. I'll have it linked below. It shipped super quickly, and I really liked this seller. Okay, let's talk earring options. I have 3 here, but I really think it's just between 2. These I just found in my drawer, and I thought they were kind of cute. They were simple, they were gold, so I'm putting it in this haul. I did get these from Etsy though. These I don't think are going to make the cut because I do want something that stands out just a little bit more, but they're still really pretty, so who knows, we'll see. Like I said, once I get the dress on, I want to, you know, put on the different pairs of earrings and see which ones look best. I also need to figure out how I'm doing my hair. That could totally affect the way like earrings look. So this is option 1. All right, earring option number 2. These ones here, I love these ones a lot. I feel like they make more of a statement than the last ones. They're just a little bigger, a little blingier, still with the gold, and I just think that they're really pretty. All right, third and final option are these ones here. This one is for your left ear, and then there's one that's curved the other way for your right ear. Really pretty, once again, with the gold. As you can tell, gold is what we're going with here. Gold is my color. So these are the third option for earrings. I want to say I did show you guys that bride clip from earlier in the video because I remember showing you guys this too. I think it was in a vlog, so I just wanted to have a dedicated video for this haul, but it came from Etsy. I wanted to get a black ring box that had the double slots for mine and Carlos's ring. So it is just a black hexagon with the double slots. Just super simple, very cute. This seller, you could also get it customized if you want with like an initial at the top of the ring box, but I just got it plain. I got a bunch of these little shot glasses from the freaking Dollar Tree, you guys. It just says "I Do Crew," and I just thought they would be kind of cute to throw in the girls' bags for the day of. I had like little bags made, and each girl would just get a bunch of little things inside of that bag, so I thought that would be kind of cute just to throw in there. I also picked up this little guy, and where did I get this? Did I get this from BoxyCharm? I think I did. It's just a nude travel jewelry case. Like, it will not allow your jewelry to like get smushed, which is nice. This is what it looks like. Has a little mirror, has these slots, and then this top part pulls down and there's an extra spot in there. It did come with these slots where you could like hook earrings in, but I took them out. So I seriously thought this was absolutely perfect to put all my wedding jewelry in to travel with to Sacramento for the wedding. I got a pack of IKEA wooden hangers. I'm gonna put each of the girls' names on there with my Cricut for hanging our dresses up in the hotel room the morning of the wedding. I just think it's really pretty to see all of the dresses hung up for the photographer, videographer to get like footage of. So this was super inexpensive. You get how many? I think 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 8 of them, and it was like $6. Like, you cannot beat that. I was gonna have some custom made, but I figured that's why I bought the Cricut, to make wedding stuff, so I can do it myself. So, all right, I'm gonna show you guys some of the little bachelorette gifts my sister and friends got me. So freaking cute. The first one is this bride straw. Like, how funny is this? I love this so much, and I think I'm gonna drink out of it every single day. I believe they got it off of Etsy. They also got me this really cute bride bag. How perfect is this going to be for Barbados? We're going to Barbados for our honeymoon, in case I have not mentioned that. But how freaking perfect for the beach. Like, this is just the cutest little thing ever. So I believe this was also, I think everything from them was from Etsy. So they also found this really cute little heart-shaped, like, corked container that says honeymoon on it. And she said you're supposed to put sand from your honeymoon inside of it, and you can like put it up on like a little shelf. So I thought that was really cute. One of my favorite freaking gifts is this little purse. Are you serious? And it says Miss Martinez on it. I just think it's the cutest thing in the world. And this will be another honeymoon staple. I'm also going to wear this to, or use this for my bridal shower. So absolutely in love with this. Okay, next thing is actually in this bag because I was planning on sending it back, but it would cost me $65 to ship this back. So I said, forget it. Maybe one of my subscribers is getting married and is about my size and would want to buy it. I was thinking of putting it on Poshmark, but if you guys are interested, I have no idea. Let me know. We can work out a deal or something, because I think I paid $130 for it. So and it's brand new. I tried it on once. It's this super long white robe with feathery edges, not sleeves. It would be like the rim of the arm sleeves, and then like all down, there's just like feathers everywhere. If you guys follow Alex from Learning to Be Fearless, it's the exact same robe she had on wedding day, which I was looking for something just super extra for pictures. But when I tried it on, I was like, am I realistically gonna wear this? Like, I'm not sure. Like, I know it would make a good picture, but I found something else instead that I liked even more. So I'll pop up a picture of what it looks like from the website. It is really good quality. It's really nice. I just don't see myself using it and didn't want to pay that much money to have it shipped back. So I don't know, if any of you guys are interested in it, let me know. I got these cute little white drink koozies from Target Dollar Spot. They were $5 and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So $1 each. Thought these might be nice to throw in the girls' bags as well, or just to have like our drinks in for morning of. I went to Marshall's and I found this, which I had already purchased that one from Etsy, but this is a different shape. It's like a rectangle shape box with one long slit, so you could honestly probably fit 3 rings there. So my wedding ring, my band, and then his band. Might be kind of nice for some flat lay pictures for the day of as well. A lot of the stuff I feel like is for day of, but I'm trying to just like gather everything in one place so I can see what I have, and then I can see what else I need to order. This was on clearance, by the way, for $6, and I just thought you could not beat it. All right, speaking of Dollar Spot, I found these bags. They were 2 for $5, and I feel like the girls are gonna get so many of these little zipper bags. It's like, how many do they need, you know? But they were just so cute, I could not pass them up. It says best day ever, and it is in white and gold, which gold is our color. I mean, gold is not our color, but gold is like the jewelry, like the accents I'm going with. Like, I don't want anything really silver. We have gold charger plates, gold picture frames. I made our wedding sign already. I made our table numbers. Everything is just gold, because I didn't want like, I don't know. We don't really have wedding colors. Like, everybody's wearing black and it's just like a neutral theme. I don't know. So we're going with, I guess, is black our color? I don't know. Anyway, that's beside the point. I got 3 sets of 2. So there's 6 bags in total, and they're really, really good quality. Another purchase from Etsy would be our cake topper. I'm really just saving nothing for the day of for you guys to be surprised. I'm surprised I'm not in here showing you guys my wedding dress. This is our cake topper. It's hard to tell, but it just says Mr. and Mrs. Martinez. How freaking cute. I already ordered our cake. I'm going with a naked cake, so I think this will look kind of rusticy and nice on the top. All right, when it came to those Dossier perfumes, the reason why I said it might be an option for my day of perfume is because I found this one from, where did I find it from? Anthropologie. I had to look at the tag. How freaking cute is this one now? It's the same like packaging, kind of like just that simplicity as the Dossier perfumes, except for it has gold accents. Gold instead of the silver. And look at the name of it. I mean, are you kidding me? It's literally named I Do. So that is why I say I'm not sure which one I'm gonna go with. And it smells so good. So I don't know. It's a close one. I'm bringing both just in case, and I'm just full-fledged obsessed with the packaging on this one as well. Okay, last thing for this haul is going to be what I'm gonna be wearing the day of, like in the hotel room while I'm getting ready, having my hair done, makeup done. Originally I wanted to go with robes for everybody, which I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing a robe at some point that morning, but for pictures, I wanted to go with something different. So the girls will be wearing just a black matching pajama set, and then I'm obviously gonna be wearing a white one. So I got two different options. I got these from Nasty Gal. They were on clearance. I could not believe it. Not only was it plus size, but it was so cute, and it was perfect for the wedding. I got them in a size 20 because I think that's all they had left, but I'm sure it'll fit perfectly. I'm typically an 18 anyway. No harm in it being a little big. This is what it looks like. It's just this really silky, like satin material, not stretchy at all, so it's probably a good thing I got the 20. And it has like this subtle, like floral print to it. It's just so pretty. And it is button up. So it has the long sleeve top, and then it comes with the long pajama pants. Okay, full length, flowy pajama pants. So this was the first set that I got from Nasty Gal, and I wasn't sure. I'm always hot, so I wasn't sure if I was going to be okay with the long sleeves and the long pants. So they also had this option on the website, which I think might be what I go with. This is a short sleeve top with a really pretty like lacy trim on the arms and the bottom actually. Super pretty short sleeve flowy pajama top, same exact floral print, and this one came with shorts. So, and honestly, the prints are exactly the same. The only difference is this lacy bit at the end for the short set, but I feel like even if I wanted to wear a short sleeve shirt with the long pants or a long sleeve top with the shorts, they will match perfectly. So I got both just so I can mix and match. All right, you guys, that is everything that I've picked up recently over the past maybe month, 2 months. I've been working really hard on wedding decor. Like I said, I have the wedding, like the welcome sign done, the table numbers done, our little cards box where people can put cards done, flower girl basket, have that made. I have some of it filmed here and there, so I think I'm gonna put together a separate video for that, but I am so far loving the way everything is coming out. I still need to work on a like seating chart and get that all done. And then what else? I think maybe like some reserved signs. I think that's really it. I don't know, like we're gonna meet with the venue mid-September, so we'll see what else I need, but I think pretty much we're gonna be set. We're gonna be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. All the stuff will be linked below if I can find it online. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!